before. But Rod knows.
Is there particular places that you look for the moisture?
Yes, usually you look for the moistures underneath of the places you actually can see.
Like under the floor mats, the dashboard, and lights, which made it even more surprising when most of our test group kept their eyes on the engine.
So I think this one's like a lot more dirty, right?
Yeah.
It has like a little bit of debris.
Yeah, this one looks a little rusty.
I mean, the leaves are inside.
I don't know. I'm looking for rust. I'm trying to, maybe this one? Wait, did I see rust on the other ones?
Oh, there was rust all right, but not here.
You got it.
Here.
So that's a lot of rust.
Anton Kutiv and Jennifer Tao didn't notice that rust when they sat down in the exact same car.
I don't feel like it's been touched
It's actually
by
very
water.
spacious.
Yeah.
There's a lot of room in this car.
Yeah.
I like it.
They weren't the only ones who were fooled.
I would say the middle one.
The middle one.
We think it's the first one.
You think it's the first one?
Back with our mechanic, Rod was convinced after seeing something no one else thought to check.
You can see here immediately what I meant with a tail lights getting moisture inside.
Rod was right. This was the flood car.
Are these signs so obvious that anybody on the street would be able to find them?
No, really.
Did you think to look at the lights?
Oh, I didn't actually.
You see that rust?
Ew.
Yeah.
There's rust right behind the brake pedal.
In fact, only half the people we put through our flood car challenge passed.
What does that say to you?
It says that the average consumer unfortunately doesn't know what to look for when it comes to flood damaged cars.
In fact, even if a buyer checked the title of that car, they might not know it had been flooded. Although flood damage is required by law to be branded on the title, scammers doctor the paperwork, removing the words flood damage. Then they get it retitled in a new state, and basically the title is clean once again. Eric Flack, WUSA 9.
But here's the bottom line. You should always check with a mechanic, get a vehicle history report from a company like Carfax to make sure that you can check for evidence of flood damage. And you can go to our WUSA 9 mobile app right now for a link to a free flood history report from Carfax. Also on our site right now, we invite you to take that flood car challenge. It's an interactive quiz, and we have a guide on what to look for when buying a car so you don't get taken.
Time for a look at DC's most accurate forecast. Topper standing by with his 3-degree guarantee.
Yeah, here we go. I was thinking 44. I was thinking 43. Melissa said, let's go 43. I was like, okay, I can handle that. Clouds coming in, keep temps down a little bit. Boom. Shout out to Melissa. We have a bullseye today. Lower tomorrow from 57 to 56. Kind of a tough forecast tomorrow. Right now it's 37. We have clouds. Winds out of the south at 9. So bus stop temperatures will be cold to start, 28 to 44. Valentine's Day 50s. A few showers. Most of the showers will be at night, but even so, at night, with lows only 45 to 50, that's a pretty good deal. In fact, if you're out tomorrow night for date night, it'll probably be in the 50s before you get home. We could hit 70 on Thursday with a shower. We could still be in the upper 60s on Friday. So 6 a.m. in the morning, we're in the 30s. 9 a.m., we're in the upper 30s, almost 40. By lunchtime, 46 downtown. A few showers already cropping up to the west, and that's the best chance they're going to be in the mountains tomorrow during the day. By the time we get to the evening hours, maybe a sprinkle in Frederick or Martinsburg. Look at the temps, though. Still 56 in Romney, 57 in Fredericksburg. And then by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, a few showers south of I-66 and around 50. But the temps, I mean, that's what jumps out at me. I mean, still 53 in Fredericksburg, 52 downtown. So you could take an umbrella tomorrow night, but you don't need much of a heavy coat with temperatures still in the low 50s pretty much across the board. If you're out super late tomorrow night, temperatures still in the 50s. Most of the showers now east of I-95 into La Plata, Charles County, St. Mary's County, and down into Calvert County. So day planner goes like this. We're above freezing downtown to start. 39 at 9 o'clock, up to almost 50 by 1 o'clock. Maybe a couple of sprinkles here and there, most of which will be west and north of town, and most of which will be at night. So 69 on Thursday, some showers. 68 on Friday, still mild. Next 7 days. Well, we're going to keep a chance of a little light rain or snow Saturday night. Not all the models have it. It will be colder over the weekend in the 40s. We're back in the 50s on Monday, maybe a shower Monday night. Better chance of showers next Tuesday. Look at the highs, back in the mid-60s. Everyone's back with 9 cribs after this.